They're little artists. Ready to create your own magical house using shapes? Get your markers ready for a creative journey through our Shape House adventure at Toddlers Art Hub. So, grab your markers and let's start drawing our fantastic shape house. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Alright, let's begin with our trusty black marker. Draw a triangle as the roof of our house. Then, a rectangle beneath for the body of the house. Inside, draw another rectangle as our adorable door, complete with a tiny circle for the doorknob. Now, create 4 rectangles for our windows, dividing each into 4 parts. Adding a chimney is next. And let's have 3 circles for the smoke. Draw a small rectangle and triangle to shape up a cute little tree. Repeat this for another tree.
Awesome!
And don't forget a long rectangle as the base of our house. Now, draw a big circle for our shining sun. And add tiny triangles as sun rays.
Awesome!
Let's add some life to our scene. Create a flying bird using shapes. 2 tiny rectangles for the beak. A circle for the head, another circle for the body. And 2 triangles as wings. Don't forget the legs. Once the drawing is done, make those outlines bold and sharp with your marker pen. Excellent job! It's time to bring this magical house to life with colors. Grab your color pens and let's start coloring.
Wow!
Green color. Brown color. Golden color. Blue color. Light blue color. Purple color. Orange color. Yellow color. Gray color. Yellow color. Orange color. Red color. Orange color. Pink color. Purple color. You've just created a mesmerizing shape house. Keep up the creative spirit, little artists. Stay tuned for more exciting adventures on Toddlers Art Hub. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing creations. Until next time, keep drawing and exploring your creative world. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.